You must have seen these viral reels where they have like a group shot all posed and they put that same audio and it goes like da, 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 da. Well, we are going to go and set one up, and this is how to do it. What we need is one of those pews. We'll bring it here, right? We're going to film from here. One pew there. The pocket of light in here is great. Slow it down a bit, boys. That's it. Run in here. Come back more, so it's in the bush. That's it. That's it. Yeah, bro, that's actually sick lighting. F***ing class pocket of light. Come on, I'll get a bridal party.
Groom's going in the middle, is it?
Yeah, bride and groom are going in the middle, yeah. I kind of like you in that position anyway, just stay there. Yeah,
okay.
Just put the girls in around. I want you to sit up with your feet there and your bum on there. Yeah, yeah, but go this way a bit more. Watch your toes a sec, darling. Go more. If you can, yeah, but that's it, perfect. Yeah, gorgeous. Well done. Move that way a tiny bit. Give me one lady. Sit down there for me, please.
I've never been called a lady before.
Cross your legs, darling. That's it. Give me a tall lad in there.
Dylan. Oh, Carlos.
Yeah.
Hey, Carlos can come right there.
That's it. Come close as close as you can. You can lean on it if you want. Yeah, class. Two lads over here. Sorry, bro. You're actually going to go over that side, mate. Sorry, I need to put one lady in on the end there. Sorry, bro. Sit down there and to put your back against there. You can sit down next to him. Do you reckon you can do that, what he's doing now? Any of you girls can do that, sit down there?
I can do that.
Go on. Maximum effort. There we go. Happy days. There we go. Class. Sit on the in the end. Lean up on her arm, on her legs, the other arm. Right arm up, yeah, there we go. That's it. Both, let me see both. Yeah, perfect. You see that? We need to do that here. So it's like a bunch. 2 volunteers for the back of the bench, 1 volunteer for the floor. You're a bloody legend, mate. Don't let anyone tell you anything otherwise.
No, in that
In the gap, mate. Yeah. Put your leg the other side of him. Go further back, lean up on the bench.
There you go.
Put your elbow up on the bench, let me see. There you go, look, top man. You're going to come out of there, sorry mate, I keep moving you. I'm sorry bro, you're going to go in that gap behind. Yeah. The light's coming, beautiful now, look. You can put your knees towards him. That's it, sit right on the edge, perfect. There we go, you're in that gap there bro. That's class, look at that light on that as well. You're going to light it on your own this time, yeah. You're going to light it on your own this time, right?
Okay.
Everyone straight on the camera. Girls, have a little gap in your lips. Pop your hips a bit, twist your knees, twist your bodies, elbow up on her. There we go, even that. Yeah, perfect, that's class. Okay, guys, everyone looking at the camera. So on my first count, you're gonna light this. So when the camera comes out, guys, just have a drink or a little bit, tiny bit of movement. I don't want you all to do something at the same time. It looks really forced.
Yeah.
So just do, so as the camera's coming out, just change it up a little bit, move. You know what I'm saying? The hand, yeah, perfect. Start lighting the cigarette now and start moving slowly. It's actually insane.
Plata o plomo.
Emma, that right arm's a bit too straight. Yeah, that's it. Everyone just gaze off into the distance. Don't look at me. 3, 2, 1, my camera. Here we go, this is the shot. That's class. Nah, that's f***ing boss, look at that.
Is that Janie or Jamie?
That is so good.
Smashed it. Well done.